guys, welcome back to Akshay Swaraj. Hope you guys are doing really great. Yes, we are back on another video. In today's video, we are going to see the top 10 costliest products that you would be wondering if you could purchase in India. Like only like literal millionaires could actually purchase this. Like these top millionaires, only these kind of people could actually purchase it. Normal salaried person like me or you, if you are watching the video, it is really going to be not a pocket friendly product. Like very small products which we use on a daily basis is going to be costly. These are the kind of products in India. I'm talking only about in India, which people are owning and which the companies are selling is going to be the video all going to be all about. So before getting into the video, you know what to do. If you are new to our channel, do subscribe, click on the like button and share this video to as many as possible. And also my Instagram ID will be available here. Do go and follow me on Instagram, and you can give your suggestions on what type of interesting contents and video you want me to make on the comment box or even in the Instagram chat. I always welcome advisors and knowledge. So let's get into the video without wasting much time. So let's go with the first product itself. Every day we will be using normal Android phone. I have an Android phone here, and one video has been recorded because I can't afford to buy an iPhone, but there would be so many people who would be affording to buy an iPhone. So many people, if you are watching the video, even you might be an iPhone user. iPhone 12 Pro, the latest phone which got launched, so many controversies came that they are not even giving chargers and stuff. Maximum how much can you spend for an iPhone? 1 lakh, 1.5 lakh. Okay, chalo, highest model 2.5 lakhs, 3 lakhs. Let's consider 3 lakhs, the highest version 3 lakhs. iPhone 5 black diamond version, photo will be attached there as usual, so you'll be having an idea. Can you just give an idea how much it would be? Approximate price 83 crores in Indian rupees. Wow, right? 83 crores in Indian rupees. I'll tell you the reason why it is so costly. It is made up of 24 karat pure gold and 130 to 135 gram of gold is what they're telling. How much is 1 gram? 1 gram in today's Indian rate is somewhere around 5,000 rupees. So 10 gram would come around 48 to 50,000 rupees. So 135 gram 24 karat gold is what this iPhone is made up of. 83 crores. If I add 83 crores, it would be a lifetime settlement, right? So just kidding, jokes apart, we are spending 18,000, 20 to 25,000 on a phone. But you need to know that in India there is something called black diamond. iPhone 5, it is not iPhone 12 and all. iPhone 12 and all, by the time if you get a black diamond, I'm not sure if any of you all have an idea, do comment in the comment box below. 83 crores is what one iPhone black diamond phone. It is made up of pure gold, so any gold lovers, if you want to purchase this kind of box, you can go do that. Next one would be gold plated donuts. When it came to donut, I very much remember last week, recently, like 3 days back, I had been to a mall in Bangalore. It's called Mantri Mall. I was like craving for desserts or donuts kind of stuff, so I went to this place and I paid 220 bucks or something for the donut, and I felt like that was good. It was good for 220 bucks. Then later on today, when I was like going through this topic of top 10 series, I got to know there is something called gold plated donut that is available. Do you want to know the price of how much that donut would be? You want to just know? I'll just attach the photo here so that you can have an idea. $100. When you convert it to Indian rupees, 6,000 rupees is what a single donut. For South Indians, meduvada. Nam meduvada ideyalla, or meduvada. That shape in other countries and all, you have something called a dessert. It is called donut. You even in India you get in like so many places. And this is something called gold plated donut. It is an eatable donut, obviously. And one donut is 6,000 rupees is what they say. So this would be definitely an expensive food. But if you want to purchase something called top rich food, this would be one among them. If you are a crorepati or if you have crores of money, definitely you can afford to buy this. You can just Google it where you get these kind of gold plated donuts, and you can go purchase and eat a donut worth 6,000 rupees. So next one would be early morning when you wake up, what will you do? Some people will take bed coffee. Some people will relax for a while. After that, early morning when you wake up, what will you do? You'll go brush your teeth, isn't it? How much would you approximately afford for a toothpaste? 70 rupees. Colgate 120 rupees. You buy pack of 3, it would be somewhere around 170 rupees. Okay, chalo, maximum, the zigzag and all is there, no, which will remove your cavities and all. Maximum 200 rupees for a toothbrush, not toothpaste, toothbrush. toothbrush will spend 200, 250 rupees, maximum let's consider 300 rupees. There is one toothbrush which cost 4500 rupees. It is made up of titanium is what they say. It has like automatic switches and all which will automatically function inside. It cleans, it is 360-degree rotatable toothbrush. Just nothing, just millionaire jokes they say, just millionaire things. You have money, you can take anything. There are people, I saw in some of the video, people to take a haircut, they take a private jet from Dubai, go to Russia, have a haircut and they come back with it. All millionaire jokes. If you have money, you can buy the costliest of costliest thing. So anybody wants a toothbrush, one person's monthly EMI, it is 4000 rupees only. So if you want to purchase, this kind of toothbrush will be available, and if you want to see how it is, photo will be attached here so that you can have an idea of how this kind of toothbrush looks. It's IPL season, right? So many people would be supporting for your very favorite teams. So one quick fact when it comes to this top 10 richest things or products or something, IPL is also somewhere related to this. So many people know Ambani is the richest person. Some more topics will be coming down the lane. But he owns this team called Nita Ambani, and their team owns this team called Mumbai Indians, who have won so many cups. No offense at all, such a good team. Even this time, if I'm not wrong, they have already qualified for the playoffs. While I'm making the video in this edition, which is happening in Dubai, they have already qualified for the finals. History states that this team is the costliest team which a franchisee can own is what they're telling. I'll just tell you the approximate price is $50 million. This is the highest estimated value IPL cricket team that an IPL franchisee can own, worth $50 million US. I also heard Shah Rukh Khan has some thousands of crores he has invested on KKR, but actual fact-wise, legally fact-wise, Mumbai Indians is the costliest franchisee. So any Mumbai fans out there watching the video, don't come and boast. I am always a diehard RCB fan from 14-15 years. Win or lose, we always support for RCB. Money doesn't matter, only fame matters. Jokes apart, just kidding. So Mumbai Indians is blue, na? See, blue jersey again. So Mumbai Indians is the costliest franchisee in the IPL history. Just I finished telling that Mukesh Ambani's team in IPL is the costliest franchisee. Now in India, the costliest house is also owned by Mr. Mukesh Ambani itself. It's named Antila. It is located in Dharavi, Mumbai. Yes, I read your mind voice. Dharavi is also the slum place in Mumbai, but this is the costliest house. He has 27 floors, where nearly 3 to 4 floors is like completely meant only for parking. And guess how many people work? Okay, you are owning a house. Let's keep you are owning a house. If your mom is not working, you have a housemaid. How many people will maximum work in your house? Imagine you are Karorpati only. You are having some decent amount of money in Bangalore. Let's consider one driver, two cooks, maximum 10 servants in your house. One person to clean the door. And middle class fellows, no servants. If you are having little money, 1 or 2 maid will be there. If you are a bachelor, obviously there will be one maid. And if you are having some decent amount of money, maximum 5 to 10 people. In Ambani's house, there are nearly 600 people who work as servants in his house. Servants in the sense, these kind of housekeepers, maids, cook, everything. 600 people. 600 people in his entire house, it seems, and 3 floors only for car parking. Even if you go to the biggest mall in Bangalore, like Phoenix, you won't have like 3 to 4 floors. 3 to 4 floors completely. They have a helipad to park their private jet. They have gymnasium, they have theaters, and one of the strangest fact is legally, I don't know anything illegal, I don't talk illegal stuff. Legally, Ambani has only one registered house in Mumbai. Across the world, only one registered house, and that is Antila. That is the craziest fact, and all insulated. Even if tsunami comes, this house doesn't get affected. Crores and crores of rupees. And also, when the house was built on initial stages, the current bill went in crores, it seems. So later the house was completely solar insulated so that they can reduce the current bill. And this is the thing, they have everything. They need not have to go out. They have gym, they have everything, shopping complex, everything within one house. That is in Dharavi, which is the some place in Mumbai. So this is the costliest house. So I also wish in future I have a house at least with 1 parking floor, 3 parking floors with so many cars. All these posh cars is what they say. So one of the costliest house owned in India, maybe across world also, by our very own Jio Dandanana Mukesh Ambani. Now you would be seeing that I make a lot of travel vlogs. I go to all these trips and short places across Karnataka and across my place, very close by. Maximum around 200, 250, 300 kilometers is what the entire trip would be. And budget I've not explained in any of the video how much we spend because it varies. But maximum we spend up to 3 to 5,000 for a 2 days trip if you have to consider. And that is such a pocket friendly trip wherever we go. But in India, there is, I can't pronounce that name, Virgin, don't look at my weird face, Virgin Galactic. Virgin Galactic is this tourist place. They are the best commercial place being constructed is what they say. And can you just approximately give a guess how much would be one ticket to go there? I definitely can't. Even if I earn for like rest 50, 60 of my years, I definitely can't afford to purchase such a huge ticket. How much is the ticket? 2 and 5 zeros with that. 2 lakh US dollars is what one ticket costs there to go to this place called Virgin Galactico or whatever it is. So obviously the crowd will be less and you can have a very good time if you're going to go there. Everything, whatever you want to see in the world, everything is constructed here is what they say. So you can just go Google it, have a view where it is, and if you have 2 lakh or how much is it? 2 lakh US dollars, you can definitely go visit this place at least once in a time with your friends, party, have a good time and come back. I can't go, I can afford only to go for a short trip. Maximum up to 50,000 I can invest on a short trip within India, not too much. Okay, so let's get into the next fact without wasting much time. So next one would be the computer keyboard, not the musical keyboard, the computer keyboard. It is called Optimus Maximus keyboard. Any guesses how much would the price be for a normal keyboard? I have 3 USB keyboards with me, so I know the price. I took one for 600, one for 1200 and one for 350 of eyeballs one. So this is what maximum I paid for a keyboard. So maximum you take the high-end version of keyboard, it would go up to 1000 rupees, 1500. If you take Apple or anything like that, maximum up to 5 to 6000 if I'm not wrong. But this keyboard which I pronounced cost 1,05,000 rupees in Indian dollars in today's rate. They say it is automatically programmable and the best keyboard in the world. Each and every keys, the keys which you use alphabets is assigned to program. All this inbuilt coding has been developed into the keyboard, and if you sit like for 2 to 3 hours to execute a program with the help of keyboard, like within 5-10 minutes you can finish it. It has like automatic features, everything is man-made, and a lot of artificial intelligence has been built into this is what they say. So 1,10,000 rupees somewhere there is the total price of this keyboard. So you can just Google it further for some more idea, but this is also here to have an idea on how much a keyboard costs, how expensive it is. Next video is about our Dabangg boss Salman Khan, the king of Bollywood, Shah Rukh Khan, Salman Khan. So the craziest actor, so many would be having a fan of him. People say that he loves traveling through various modes like horse, cycle, car, bike, everything. And he has a cycle. Can you guess the price of the cycle? I used to crave a lot for cycle. I was a very big cycle fan during my childhood and all. I had like 3 to 4 cycles, but now those age and generations have gone on cycle because motorcycle plays a major role. But Salman Khan loves cycle and he has a lot of cycle, among which, do you know the approximate price of how much the cycle would cost? 50 lakh Indian rupees. I'm not even serious. So one cycle which Salman Khan owns is 50 lakh rupees. You might be wondering, we can take BMW or Audi with that price. But yeah, cycle also. I'm not talking about Kawasaki Ninja or Ducati or any Harley Davidson or costly bike. I'm talking about a normal cycle. But this has additional very good features. You can take it to the top of the peak for trekking, mountaineering, off-roading and all. The cycle has the best power. It controls your blood pressure. It has an automatic machine which can check your heart attack. It helps you calculate the calories that is burnt. Everything ready-made, it is there. They say I can attach a photo of Salman Khan with the cycle. 50 lakh Indian rupees. If anybody want to purchase, please do that. And adding up to this, Salman Khan also owns a brand named Being Human. So many of you all would be aware of the brand, and the brand worth is 3,000 crores in Indian rupees is what they say. The only Bollywood actor to have such a costliest brand is also what I heard. So Being Human and cycle for 50 lakhs and this brand for 3,000 crores. Salman Khan also owns some decent amount of costliest product in India is what I would like to say. Next one would be, you would have seen in the thumbnail where this guy didn't talk about the topic, you might be wondering. toilet paper in Australia, not in India. I told costliest products in India, but for this alone I had to jump to Australia. The costliest toilet paper in the world is 8.2 crores what you get in Australia. It is made up of 22 karat pure gold. So here and all, maximum if you take the normal tissue paper, the toilet paper would be, here we use water, but there they don't use water. That toilet paper is everything, and 8.2 crores is the costliest toilet paper. One roll of toilet paper which is made up of 22 karat gold. And also certain websites says that if you purchase this toilet paper for 8 crore rupees in Indian rupees, you would be getting one bottle of champagne free. I'm not aware if you would be getting in India, but in Australia, if any of you are watching this video, you would be knowing it. The costliest toilet paper made up of 22 karat pure gold with one bottle of champagne absolutely free. They say no, you can purchase for 9,999 rupees only. So that is how it is. 8 crores with one bottle of champagne, 22 karat gold toilet paper. Next would be about our very famous cricketer Virat Kohli. Many of you would be knowing that he is a fitness freak. He cares a lot about his fitness. He has also sacrificed his favorite foods and become a vegan, being completely into fitness and stuff. He and his wife Anushka Sharma. So everybody would be almost knowing this. That is the only reason I kept this craziest fact at the end. But let me cover it up. He drinks water, 2 liters of water, imported water. The water brand is Evian. Evian is the water brand name. And any guesses how much would be 1 liter of water? The costliest brand, Bisleri or Aquafina, or where is the water bottle? Okay. This is also, what do you call? I got it from airport. Galaxy. How much did I pay? Is the MRP there? 750 ml, 40 bucks. 40 bucks. This is little costly, but usually you take normal Bisleri in India, it is 20 to 25 bucks. 18 rupees maximum. But what Virat Kohli uses, this brand costs 600 rupees per liter. And also it states that he drinks 2 liters per day. So 600 into 1200. So 1200 into 365 days, approximate, rough estimate, let's keep. He gets this water imported, 365 days if he takes 2 liters per day. 4,50,000 is what one person spends on water. For him it might be a small money, but you have to be knowing that also people spend nearly 5 lakh rupees on water. So that was the reason I took up this example. Top 10 costliest thing that you would be getting in India. Also, there are so many, apart from this, if you go to top 10 costliest things in the world, there are so many things people have invested money on useless things. Like when I told the toothbrush and all, no, I was like wondering why are people spending crores of money on toothbrush and stuff. If maybe like these are the costliest. There is also some article where I read like one Mumbai businessman took the costliest shirt for 300 crores. It seems one costliest shirt made up of gold and diamond coatings inside with bulletproof attached and all. So these are the things. Also, next video if possible, I'm not sure, if possible I'm making a video on top 10 costliest products that you get in Amazon, and also if possible top 10 costliest products in the world. Also some top 10 costliest useless product if possible. So these are the products in India. So any millionaires, Karolpati, if you are watching, if you want to purchase, do purchase and comment in the comment box below. And one among these products, now let's imagine I give you 100 crores. Imagine you are dreaming and having 100 crores in your hand. What would be that one product that you want to purchase? Leave that idea also in the comment box below. I'll catch you guys with another video. And if you ask me what is that thing that you want to purchase, I would definitely tell that adventurous spot. They told no 2 lakh crores or something you would be getting. I would be definitely, and private jet, owning a private jet has always been my dream since childhood. I want to go in this private jet all alone and come back, land in an helipad. I don't know if it is going to be a dream or some fine day if I'm going to achieve it. But what, belief is everything. So let's see this. These are the topics I just thought of covering. Sorry if the video went like very long. With that, I come to the conclusion of today's video. See you guys in another great video soon, very soon. Take care. Thanks and have a great time. And you might be wondering why you didn't upload so many videos. I've been hitting on few fitness and gyms these days, and because I've started very recently over the 20 years of time, it is little difficult for me to get adjusted, and I was like very tired. So that is the video all about. Take care. See you. Bye.